Yesterday we have seen the first congruency rule, and that is which one?
SAS.
SAS. Yeah, SAS. Side angle side congruency rule. And we have also done one question. So is that question is clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody has any doubt? No. Okay. So whenever you prove that the two triangles are congruent, that order matters a lot. Okay. If you are taking, if you want to show that side AB is equals to side BC, then we need to write AB is equals to BC. We cannot write AB equals to CB. Okay. We can write, actually they are equal, but to prove, okay, in the proof, we will write in the same order. Okay. Because when you place one over the other, okay, so we this AB and BC, so they should overlap each other, so we need to keep, or we have to write in the orders so that we can also see, we can visualize that they are overlapping each other. Okay, AB and CB, so BB, okay, the point B and B coincide, it means they coincide or they overlap, it means the two sides overlap each other or completely, cover each other if we place one over the other, right? Now we will see this example number 2. Okay. Example number 2 we will see now. So the example says that AB is a line segment and line L is its perpendicular bisector. If a point P lies on L, show that P is equidistant from A and B. Okay. Here we are given a figure. So this figure is given to us. Let me show you here. Can you see this figure?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this point is point A. So here we are given that AB is a line segment and this line L is perpendicular and bisector. Perpendicular and bisector means 90 degree. The angle formed here is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. And this is also bisector of this side AB. Okay, clear? So two things we are given here. And if a point P lies on line L, P is a point, this point P lies on the line L, we have to show that P is equidistant from A and B. P is equidistant. Equidistance means at equal distance. Means if you measure the distance between P and A, this distance, and if you measure the distance between P and B, so it's same. Equidistance means equal distant. So question is clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now we will prove that this 2 means basically we have to show that AP is equals to BP. Okay, so here we will write what is given. So what is given here? This L is the angle, sorry, perpendicular bisector, means we are given that this AC is equals to BC and this angle is 90 degree. Okay. So to prove that AP equals to PB, so in given we will write that L is perpendicular bisector of line L is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Now in to prove, what we have to prove? Point P is equidistant. So instead of writing this the whole sentence, we'll write mathematically. Okay. So their equidistance means PA equals to PB. This we need to prove in this question. Okay. Now see the proof. So since we are talking about triangle and the congruency of triangles, so we here also we'll use the congruency criteria. And till now we have seen only one criteria, that is SAS. So of course we are going to use the same criteria to prove that point P is equidistant. Okay, so what we will do, we will consider two triangles. Okay, so here if we consider triangle, can you see the cursor here? Can you see my cursor? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am.
good, good. So here, if we consider this triangle ABC and triangle BPC, so the same thing I'm going to write here. We will write in the proof. Just a minute. Yeah. So we will write in triangle ABC and triangle BPC. So be careful when you consider the triangle, or during consideration you can change the order, but when you write that symbol congruency, in that case you cannot change the order. Means P A P C and C B P you cannot write. Okay, so be careful. So from the beginning only we will write in the same order, so that we can easily prove that the two triangles are congruent. From here only we can easily see which two sides are equal, which angles are equal. Okay, so here when you see the side AC and BC, are they equal? Yes. So we will write AC equals to BC, and there is why they are equal, because it is given in the question. Okay, now this angle at point C, this is also equal. Okay, these two angles are equal. So if you want, you can name it as angle 1 and 2, or you can simply write angle ACP is equals to angle BCP. This is also given in the question. Okay, now we need one more thing, because in this criteria side angle side, so any other side which are equal, any two
Ma'am,
corresponding sides of the
PC.
triangle? Yeah,
Ma'am,
correct.
PC is equal to PC common.
Yeah, very good, very good. So here we'll write PC equals to PC because it's a common side. Okay, every time you have to mention the reason why they are equal. So now see side, angle, side. So by which criteria? And this angle included side. Okay, so we will write by side, angle, side congruency criteria. Which two triangles? Triangle APC is congruent to triangle. Now see this AP. Okay, so when you means when you flip this triangle, this one, the half part of the triangle, when you flip now, they cover each other. They should cover each other. So here we will write B P C. So here we cannot change the order. So now the triangles are congruent. Okay, now the triangles are congruent. So now we can write by CPCT. What is the full form?
Corresponding parts of congruent triangles.
Yeah, very good. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle means now the triangles are congruent, so their remaining corresponding parts are also equal. So remaining corresponding parts means here we can write this AP is equals to BP. Okay, so AP equals to BP. Now if AP and BP are equal, it means P is equidistance from point A and B. Okay, so this we have proved. Anybody has any doubt here in this question? No? Okay, fine. So now, now see the next figure, which is given here, right here. We are given two triangles, and in these two triangles, when you see the measures of sides, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, here 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. But see the angle, this angle is 50 degree and this angle is 50 degree. Okay, so when you put one triangle over the other one, they cover each other? No.
No,
Why?
ma'am.
Because here in this case we have taken two sides and they are equal to the corresponding sides of the other two triangles, but the angle, what is this SAS congruency criteria? The angle should include the sides. Okay, angle included the side, but here we have taken different angle. If this one is 50 degree, okay, if this one is 50 degree, then the triangles are said to be congruent. So in this case the triangles are not congruent. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. So let's move to the next one. Yeah. So notice that the two triangles are not congruent. So now repeat this activity with more pair of triangles. हमको बहुत सारे triangle बना के देखना है. दूसरी sides लो. Okay. So you will observe that for triangles to be congruent, it is very important. This line is very important. For triangles to be congruent, it is very important that the angle equals are included between the pair of equal sides. हमेशा angle कौन से होंगे? Between these two corresponding sides. Okay, so that is why this SAS congruency rule holds, but not ASS or SSA. This line is very important. This highlighted line you have to write in your copy. Okay, you have to write that. You have to write from here the equal angles, or for triangles to be congruent, it is important that the equal angles are included between the pairs of equal sides. So SAS congruence rule holds, but not ASS or SSA. Clear?
Excuse
So
me,
let's move to
ma'am.
the next. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, it does not hold angle side angle.
Angle side angle, that is different thing. If you consider two sides, okay, two sides and one angle, we are talking about all the triangles in which we are given two sides and one angle. Okay, so in that case, two sides, one angle, two sides, one angle. Okay, or two sides, one angle. So out of this three combination, only this combination is true, only this rule exists. Okay, these two are not
Yes, ma'am.
the congruency criterion. Now we are only talking about those triangles in which two sides are given and one angle is given. Okay, वो दो angle one side, that we will discuss. Okay, that we are going to discuss actually after this. Clear? So now
Yes.
let us see the next one. Again, we are given two triangles. So if you see these two triangles, in these two triangles, we are given two angles and the side included these two angles. Okay, these two corresponding angles. So this criteria is called angle side angle criteria, angle side angle congruency rule, or angle side angle congruency criteria. Angle side angle. Here this is same as the previous one. In the previous one we were given two sides and one angle. Now here we are given two angles and one side, and the side included these two angles. Okay, so after writing this heading ASA congruency rule, you just write these two lines. What is this rule is? So two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to two angle and the included side of the other triangle. Okay, we will prove this theorem, but not today. After completing the chapter, we will prove all the theorems. Okay, because proof of theorem is a little bit difficult. थोड़ा सा difficult है. If I prove the theorem right now, you will have this in your mind. Oh, this chapter is very difficult. Okay, लेकिन मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए. Okay, this chapter is very simple. The only thing is we need to you should know how you will be able to visualize everything. Okay, कैसे triangle घूम रहे हैं, एक दूसरे के ऊपर overlap हो रहे हैं. You will be able to visualize. If you can visualize these figures, you can easily prove it, or you can easily solve any question given in this chapter, or you can prove any theorem. Okay, you can prove any theorem, right? So this is our angle side angle congruency rule. Now this is the proof of the theorem, which we will discuss later. Yeah, now see, in angle side, in this criteria we are given two angles and one side included these two angles. Okay, but what if we have this case, this one? here we have drawn 4 different triangles. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, okay. I'll take example from my side. Suppose we are given 2 triangles. Okay, this is, just a minute. Yeah, A, B, C, and P, Q, R. And we are given that this side AB is equals to PQ. Okay, and this angle B is equals to angle Q. Now, according to this angle side angle criteria, okay, if you want to use this angle side angle criteria, we need these 2 angles to be equal. Okay, we want that if angle A is also equals to angle P, then we can use angle side angle congruency criteria. But in this question, we are not given that angle A and P are equal, but instead of angle A and P, it is given that angle C is equals to angle R. Okay, so can we use this angle side angle congruency criteria? Or in this case also,
Yes, ma'am.
these 2 triangles are congruent? Yes. Who said yes? Can you explain with reason?
Ma'am, we can do it by angle side angle.
Angle side angle. Okay. How?
Ma'am,
No.
if
Okay.
A is equal to P,
If A is, but here A is not equals to P. Here C and R are equal.
then
Okay.
ma'am we will do it
Okay.
by angle side.
नहीं वो हमने अभी डिस्कस नहीं किया है. My question is, can we prove these 2 triangles congruent by using the same criteria ASA?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Okay. Just a minute.
Ma'am, because
See.
the side must
Huh?
be included.
Yeah, side must be included. Your answer is absolutely correct. If this angle is 30 degree, this one is also 30 degree. If this angle is 45 degree, and let this angle is also 45 degree. Okay, this is 3 centimeter and this is also 3 centimeter. Now see, if angle B is 30 degree, angle C is 45 degree, can you find angle A? So this
Yes,
angle
ma'am, by
A,
angle sum property.
yeah,
Angle sum
180
property.
minus sum of, yes. So we can find this angle A by using angle sum property. Similarly, can you find angle P?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am,
By the same property?
it will be same only.
Yeah. So if 2 angles of
105.
a triangle, yeah, if 2 angles of a
75.
triangle are equal to, if 2 angles of a triangle are equal to the corresponding 2 angles of another triangle, then the remaining 1 angle will also be equal to each other. Okay, it means B equals to Q, C equals to R, then definitely this A will also be equals to angle P. Okay, so if you want to use angle side angle congruency criteria, what we can do? We first show that here, since B is equals to Q and C is equals to R, it means automatically angle P equals to angle A equals to angle P. So now we can use this angle side angle congruency criteria. Okay, and as we have seen just now, okay, this side angle is not a congruency criteria, but angle side is a congruency criteria. And the reason is this: if 2 angles are equal, 2 angles of a triangle are equal to the corresponding angle of another triangle, then the third one will automatically equal. Okay, that is why angle side angle is a criteria, but angle side is also a congruency criteria. Did you understand? Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why this SC, this SSA? is not a congruency rule, but angle side is a congruency rule. This is the reason behind it. Okay, so jab bhi aap after 12th, whenever you go for any interview, nobody is going to ask you prove angle side angle congruency criteria. They will ask you these type of questions. Okay, why this is not a congruency criteria, but this one is the congruency criteria. So they will ask you this type of questions. कोई भी आपको एक चौक और बोर्ड नहीं देगा, you prove this theorem. Okay, of course the proof of the theorem is important because we have to attempt it, we have to write the proof in the exam, but you should also know the reason behind each and everything, why this is the congruency criteria, why this is not the congruency criteria. Okay, so as I said earlier, this question mark should always be with you and always try to answer this question. Okay, yes. Clear? Is it clear?
Ma'am,
Any doubt?
ma'am, if someone asks us that these two triangles congruent by ASA, so ma'am, what should be the answer?
These two? You are talking about these two?
Yes, ma'am, because if we use this step, then it will be.
See, if somebody asks you prove whether these two triangles are congruent by SA's congruency criteria, you can say yes, they are congruent because these two angles, these corresponding two angles, these two corresponding angles are equal. So ultimately these two angles will also be equal by angle sum property. Okay, so actually ये दोनों एक ही criteria है. The only thing is the way we write, the way we present. Okay, if you find angle A, this will become side angle congruency criteria because two angles and side including these two angles. Okay, if you don't find angle A, then angle side congruency criteria. Okay, तो जहां पे भी SAS होगा वहां पे हम AAS भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Okay, it's up to you, but it depends on the order. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
पक्का क्लियर हो गया? हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am means we can prove it by angle sum property, angle side.
Angle sum property, by using angle sum property, we can show that B, C and Q are equal. So we can show that A and P are also equal. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
But in question, इतना मेहनत क्यों करना है? If we are given these two angle, these two side, you directly use angle side because this is also one of the criterias. Okay. Or if you want, you can also use, you can find the third angle and you can also use angle side angle congruency criteria. Now it's up to you. आपके mind में clear होना चाहिए. This ASA and AAS actually both are same because if two angles are equal, third will automatically be, because there are only three angles in a triangle. दो already equal है, तो third वाला automatically equal होगा. Right? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So in class 7 we have learned all the congruency criteria. Somebody is saying something? Any doubt? No? Okay. So in class 7 we have learned all the congruency rules criteria, but now I think now you have clear cut idea why this SSA is not a congruency rule, but angle side is a congruency rule. Okay, so now let's move to the next. Good. Let's move to the next one. Observe that the triangles may or may not be congruent to each other. So equality of three triangle is not. Just a minute. Let me. Now see here. See this figure. Figure 7.14. Here we are given four triangles. And each angle of a triangle, this angle, see all the three angles are 40, 50, 90. Here also 40, 50, 90, 40, 50, 90, 40, 50, 90. Okay, but are they congruent?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So the triangles may or may not be congruent to each other. So equality of three angles is not sufficient for congruence of triangle. Therefore, congruence of triangles, out of 3 equal parts, one has to be a side. Did you understand the meaning of this line?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Can anyone explain me
Yes,
the meaning
ma'am.
of this line? Can you explain me?
Ma'am, because
Ma'am,
it
can I?
it ma'am, if it will make a congruence, so ma'am, there will be a rule like a congruence criterion.
Yeah, so we should have one side always. Okay, this AAA is not a congruency criteria क्योंकि हो सकता है all the three angles are, just a minute, all the three angles are same but the size may be different. Okay, their size may be different. If you see these two triangles, each angle of these two triangles, I am talking about this triangle, I'm talking about this triangle and this triangle. In these two triangles, each angle is there. I'm saying they are equilateral triangle. So each angle is of 60 degree. Okay. But are they congruent? If you keep,
No, ma'am.
if you try to, yeah, if you try to put
No,
one triangle
ma'am.
over the other, yeah. So this angle is not a congruency criteria. From this figure, we can say that angle angle is not a congruency rule. We need at least one side to prove that the two triangles are congruent. Okay, clear? So how many
Ma'am, means
congruency rules we have
angle
discussed?
angles do not exist.
Yes, angle, this criteria does not exist. Okay, clear? Clear with reason? Can you reason why
Yes, ma'am.
angle criteria does not exist? Because we can draw two triangles with all three angles equal, but their sides may be different. Okay? आप try करना. You try to draw two triangles with all each angle 60 degree, and the side of the first triangle let it be 2 centimeter and side of the another triangle 10 centimeter or 5 centimeter. So side you draw two equilateral triangle of side 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter, and then cut the triangles, take out from your take out these two triangles, cut this two triangle and try to hide, try to find out whether they overlap each other or not. Okay, so you'll find that they cannot, means they are not congruent, and you will find the reason also. Angles are equal but sides are different. So we should have one side, and then one side has to be there, okay, to prove the triangles congruent. Okay. Now let us move to the next example. Example number 3. This is the question. Line AB is parallel to another line segment CD. O is the midpoint. Okay, O is the point and O is the midpoint. Midpoint means middle point or divides into two equal parts. Okay, of AD. Show that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC and O is also the midpoint of BC. So here we are given a figure. ऐसा हो भी सकता है कि आपको फिगर नहीं मिले. So every time be ready how to draw. You should know how to draw a figure. So the figure is given here. Can you see it clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this question we are given that line segment AB is parallel to another line segment CD. So it is given that AB is parallel to CD. So whenever you write AB parallel to CD, आपके दिमाग में click होना चाहिए. We can use all the lines of all the properties of parallel lines. Okay, means we are going to use the properties of parallel lines to prove this theorem or to solve this question. Okay. By the time you write this line, आपके mind में click होना चाहिए. Now next is O is the midpoint of AD. O is the midpoint of AD. So they have already marked that this AO is equals to DO, or you can, this time you can say AOOD. Okay. Now, when you write congruency, in that case, that order matters. Okay. So here O is the midpoint. It means AO equals to OD. And anything else is given? No. Now we have to prove that, the first part we have to prove that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC. Okay, these two triangles are congruent. This way to prove. Okay, तो सबसे अच्छा short trick है, there is a trick, not short trick, there is a trick. Whichever triangle we have to prove congruent, we will consider these two triangles only. Okay, so now we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent, so we will consider these two triangles only. Okay, so in the proof, I am writing proof here. So in the proof, we will write in triangle AOB and triangle DOC. Okay, in these two triangles, we are taking these two triangles. अब यहीं से ढूंढना स्टार्ट करो, whether this AO and DO are equal. Are they equal? Yes, it is
Yes,
given
ma'am,
in the
given.
question. Yes, it is given. So we will write AO equals to DO because it is given. Okay. Then this OB, OC, are they equal? OB, OC? No, it is not given in the question. AB equals to DC. Are they equal? No, this is also not given in the question. Now let us see angles. Angle at point A and angle at point D. Where is A? This one. Angle at point A and angle at point D. Are they equal?
Yes, ma'am. Alternative interior angle.
Very good. So directly it is not given in the question. Directly उन्होंने नहीं कहा they are equal, but we are given that AB is parallel to CD. So we can use that property of parallel lines. And when you observe, you will find that these two angles, angle OAB is equals to angle ODC. Okay, they are equal. Why they are equal? Because this AB is parallel to CD. If you want, you can skip this line. Okay, it's not necessary because in the given we will write that AB is parallel to CD. So here we can directly write by alternate interior angles. Okay, you please write complete word. For the first time I'm writing, I'm using symbols. Generally, I don't write short forms. I write complete word. So alternate interior angles. Now, दो चीजें मिल गई. One side, one pair of angles are equal. अब और तो कोई side equal है नहीं. Now let us check whether another two angles or any other angles are equal or not. So any other angle can, now see,
Yes, ma'am.
angle at point O, angle at point O equal.
Vertically opposite angle.
Very
Vertically
good.
opposite
These
angles.
two angles are equal. They are vertically opposite angles. So we will write
Ma'am, AOB is equal to DOC. DOA.
AOB is equals to DCO.
DOC.
These two.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, you are saying this angle. Okay. Okay. Which two angles? AOB.
AOB and DOC.
Yeah, correct. DOC are equal, vertically
Vertical
opposite. Yeah. So by which congruency rule? See, we have taken, just a minute, we have taken this angle, this side and this angle. So by ASA congruency rule, we can say that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC. So proved. Yes. Now tell me, what is your question?
Ma'am, I was asking that can angle C and B be equal?
Yes, they are also equal. So we can also prove these two triangles congruent by which criteria? by angle, side. Am I
Angle and
right?
side.
Yes. Is it correct? Can we also use this
Yes, ma'am.
angle side
Yes,
criteria?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes. So
ma'am.
Yes.
there are two methods to solve this question. One by using this AAS criteria, another by angle side angle. See, जहाँ पे भी angle side angle होगा, here you can also use this angle side congruency criteria because two angles. Just think, कोई मैजिक नहीं है. Two angles of a triangle are already equal. Okay, तो third one तो automatically equal होगा ही, right? Is it clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
and the side is included, so we have used ASA congruency rule.
Yeah, but you can also use angle side because this is also one of the criterias. Okay, if you use angle side, that is also not wrong. Okay, that is also correct. समझ में आया?
Okay,
देखो, try to understand this angle side angle and angle side. Actually दोनों same ही है. Two angles of a triangle are equal to the corresponding two angles of another triangle. In the triangle we have only three angles. So if two triangles are equal, then the third one will automatically equal. Okay, that is the reason. So every time if you are using this criteria, angle side angle, you can also use angle side in all the questions. So now it's up to you whether you want to
Ma'am?
use this one or huh.
Ma'am, in angle side angle only there is one condition that the side must be included.
Yeah. Yes. This side must be included these two angles. देखो ना, ये लिखते हैं हम ऐसे हैं. We write in that way only. Angle, then side, then angle. Okay. So let's move to the next part of the question. The next part of the question is O is also the midpoint of BC. In the next part, we have to show that this O is the midpoint of BC. It means in the next part, we have to show that what?
OB is equal to OC.
OB is equals to OC. So how will you prove this? This is very simple now.
PPCT.
Very good.
Corresponding
By
parts of congruent triangle.
very good. By CPCT, we can write these two triangles are congruent. So now we can say that this OB, from here only we can say that OB is equals to OC. So we will write OB is equals to OC. It means O is the midpoint of O is, okay, this you can write now. O is the midpoint. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Any other doubt in this question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. So let's move to the next. Now we have exercise. So first tell me whether today's class is better than the previous classes or not.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We can see it clearly, and it is big.
Big what?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, big screen.
Okay, big screen. Okay, fine. Okay, so it's useful. Okay, so every day we will use this only. Okay, I just wanted to know whether it's useful or not. Okay, so let's start with the exercise. So the first question is, in a quadrilateral ABCD, AC is equals to AD given, and AB bisects angle A, means these two angles are equal. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. This is very simple. Okay, this is for homework. Can you solve this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is very
Yes,
simple.
ma'am.
Okay. So this is for homework. Now we will solve the next one. Okay. The next question is, just a minute.
Ma'am, may I tell the next question?
I'm also having book with me, but just a minute. Yeah, if you have book, you can see. Mm, yeah, please read the next question. Not loudly.
ABC is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Prove that first, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Second, BD is equal to AC. Third, angle ABD is equal to angle BAC.
Okay, so I think this is also very simple. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Can you solve this one also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, some technical issue. All devices are, overloaded. Mobile phone overloaded, laptop overloaded. That is why this problem. So this second question is also for now. If you know how to prove two triangles congruent, you can solve any question. Okay, all the questions are simple. If you know, if you understand that concept and that trick also, which two triangles we have to consider is very, very important. Okay, that first line is very important. Consider triangle this line is very important. Okay, if you are able to find out the two triangles, you can prove easily. Okay, you can prove that the triangles are congruent. You can easily prove the any theorem or any question you can solve. Okay,
Ma'am,
so
ma'am, the
yes,
screen you shared, it was page number 12.
page number 12. No, no, I'm not getting the, yeah. Now, there was some problem with
Yes,
the
ma'am.
laptop. Yeah. So this question number 2 also, you can solve. May I give this for
Yes,
homework?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now see the question number 3, still we have time. No, it's over. Exactly 8:50. But see this question number 3 also. AD and BC are equal perpendiculars. Equal भी है and perpendicular. So equal perpendiculars means they are equal as well as they are perpendicular to the side AB. Okay, show that CD bisects AB. We have to show that this CD bisects AB. Just try to solve this one. Okay, I have given 2 questions for homework, and third also you try. If you are not able to solve this one, we'll discuss it tomorrow. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So today
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
done, we have used, a new technique, but there is one drawback. I don't have anything to share as a PDF. Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, children. Okay, we have this
Thank you,
recording
ma'am.
also. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
everyone. Yeah.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.